Hey, that looks like fun.
Wahoo! Whee! Strike!
Looks like those penguins are bowling. Wow, look at them go. I wonder if they could use another player. Hey, let's see how many penguins are playing right now. Let's count the penguins. Tap to count the penguins. 1,
Ay, ay, ay!
2,
Yahoo!
3,
Hey!
4.
Whee!
4 penguins. I think there might be room for me, but I don't know how to join.
Wahoo! Whee! Strike!
Bowling sure does look like fun.
Big Bird imagines trying to join the group.
What if...
Big Bird picks up the bowling ball without asking first.
Hey, that's my ball!
But when he tries to roll it back, it hits another ball instead of the pins.
Hey, that's not how you play!
Oh no! What if I try to join the game, but I don't know how to play? Oh, I'm having a big feeling. My palms are sweaty and my heart is beating fast. I'm feeling nervous. Happy. I'm not feeling very happy. Nervous. I'm a little worried about asking to join the group. I'm feeling nervous, but it's okay because my granny bird taught me something to do when I feel this way. So now I have a special rhyme I say when I feel nervous about joining play.
Help finish the sentence by finding the word that rhymes.
The sentence goes, to make new friends, you have to try. Just go up and say, apples. Hi. Apples? That doesn't sound the same. It's hi, because hi rhymes with try. Hi, that's it. The word try rhymes with hi. To make new friends, you have to try. Just go up and say hi.
Big Bird imagines trying to join the group again.
What if... Hello there, I'm Big Bird. Hi.
Oh, nice to meet you. Oh, hey, we're one bird short. You want to play?
Count me in. Now I feel ready to join the game. How should I try and join the play? Should I ask to join? Or ask to join? Okay, I'll say hello and ask to join. Hi, my name is Big Bird. Can I play too?
Oh, of course. We could use an extra player.
Great.
He's on my team.
Now I'm having a new feeling. I'm smiling, and I feel good inside. I'm feeling happy. Proud. Yes, I feel good about myself for doing something that I was nervous to try. Come on, let's bowl. Roll the ball to the pins to see how many you can knock down. You knocked down 6 pins. That means you have 4 pins left. Roll again. You knocked down 4 pins. Oh, way to go! That was so much fun. I'm glad I got to play. At first, I was feeling nervous about trying to join the group, but then I remembered the rhyme that my granny bird taught me about making new friends. It goes, to make new friends, you have to try. Just go up and say hi.
Joining a group of friends can be hard, but you can do it. My pal Grover has a song about ways to join friends.
Giddy up, pretend pussy!
It's okay to have different feelings when trying to join a group of new friends. Here's one of my friends from our neighborhood. Our friend is feeling nervous. Let's make a nervous face. I don't think that's the right one. That mouth does look nervous. Nervous is when you feel a little scared about what might happen. Our friend worked hard and finally got across the monkey bars. How do you think they're feeling? I don't think that's the right one. Yes, I think our friend is feeling proud. We feel proud when we are kind to others or when we work hard. Our friend is feeling happy. Let's make a happy face. Yes, that mouth looks happy. When we are happy, we are full of good feelings. It's important to learn about different feelings. Make any face you want. Keep adding. When you're done, tap here. A nervous face. What a silly face! Cool! That's what so a silly face! I love how creative you are! Let's explore ways to invite someone to come play with you. Tap this. Go ask a grown-up for help. School.